Populations and Resources, Lesson 2.1, Activity 4. And for the homework activity, you'll be opening the simulation and you're going to select 3 populations mode. So you're going to be selecting this. I need to remind you that the Populations and Resources Sim is an app on your iPad. If you click this link, it's not going to work. You need to go to the app that you should have downloaded from self-service in order to do this activity. So when you have the app open, you click on 3 populations. And you should start seeing that it looks a little different, and each organism has a tank full of an orange substance. So that represents each organism's energy storage molecules. So for your homework, you're going to gather evidence about what happens to an organism's energy storage molecules when they reproduce. So you can get evidence about what is happening to their energy storage molecules by looking at the tanks and paying attention to the number in the orange circle. So if I click on, I can't even find one. If I click on one, you can see there's a number in the orange circle. So you can see what is happening to that number, and that is how you're going to collect evidence for this activity. And remember, the orange number and tank is the organism's total energy storage molecules. It's how many energy storage molecules they have. And then if I turn this off, then you don't see the orange tanks or the energy storage molecules. So one more thing I want to note is in this activity, you are focusing on reproduction. So you're going to select an animal until it reproduces and focus on what happens to the energy storage molecules when it reproduces. So an easy way to do that, instead of just randomly clicking on an organism, is you can go to the tracking and click on reproducing, and then it's going to highlight everything that's reproducing. And then this will give you a better focus to gather evidence and figure out what is happening to energy storage molecules when they reproduce. So as you do this, answer these 2 questions and make sure you press hand in